Journalists and lawyers under protection or murdered on the streets, court hearings guarded by the army, witness statements anonymized, and billions in dirty drug money that leaches through society, corrupting as it goes. So in this video, we are going to tell you about the Crown witness who betrayed the Mocro Maffia. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. This is the Netherlands, where these facts have now inspired a crackdown pitting some 500 million euros a year against a level of organized crime that politicians fear is increasingly undermining public order. The mayors of Amsterdam and Rotterdam are warning of a culture of crime and violence that is gradually acquiring Italian traits, with record amounts of intercepted drugs at the port of Rotterdam, extreme violence that often kills the wrong target, and EUR 15 bin to EUR 30 bin a year laundered into the property, cannabis, coffee shops, tourism, and bars. Allegations that the country, better known for its tolerance and fiscal frugality, has the characteristics of a narco-state 2.0, are now being taken extremely seriously. We will never have as much money as the criminals opposite us, but there has never before been as much structural money to tackle them, from prevention to disrupting earning models, punishing people, and protecting those on the front line, Justice Minister Dylan Yeşilgaz said in Parliament. Those amounts of cash can only be made if the underworld is infiltrating the legitimate world and nesting there, in streets of shops, business parks, our estate agents and lawyers, she said. The Dutch government announced a new international collaboration last Monday against criminals who ship cocaine from South America via the ports of Rotterdam and nearby Antwerp in Belgium. Politicians also want to scrutinize facilitator businesses, expand Crown witness schemes, delve into opaque financial structures, and offer vulnerable young people in 16 neighborhoods better options than crime. Paul Vutz, a crime reporter for Amsterdam paper Het Parool, who spent 6 months living under police protection after getting death threats, said it was high time for action. It took the killing of a crime blogger, the innocent brother of a Crown witness against alleged drug gang chief Ridouan Taghi and others, that the witness's lawyer Dirk Wiersum and last summer my colleague Peter R. de Vries, the Crown witness's official confidant. We don't have a mafia like Italy, but this kind of violence is mafia-like. It is terror. Hans Nellen, professor of criminology at Maastricht University, agrees. Let's face it, when we had the killing of Peter R. de Vries, the famous journalist, it resulted in a shockwave, he said. Politically speaking, it has woken up. We do not have empirical evidence that corruption has endemically polluted the system, but we see serious faults. A serious crime unit, the Multidisciplinary Intervention Team, is being overhauled, and recent investigations have revealed holiday parks where criminals may be laundering money, suspect private art galleries, dodgy transport firms, and corruption at Schiphol Airport. Banks have already been sanctioned for abetting money laundering, and accountants and law firms are next. Cracking encrypted phone services has generated scores of leads and arrests, most recently of suspected drug criminal Mink K in Lebanon. Public prosecutors and courts were demanding life sentences last week in the massive Marengo murder trial. Meanwhile, Rotterdam's mayor is lobbying for all fruit containers at the port to be scanned, and for more than the 10 million euros promised to businesses to help deal with corruption. In Rotterdam, businesses are training 2,800 employees to combat corruption and intimidation. And Bas Jansen, managing director of the Port Association Deltalinks, points out that customs, police, and security firms are also sometimes implicated in collections of cocaine from containers. The mayor of Rotterdam is knocking on the door and saying it is an urgent issue, but we have to do it together, he adds. Companies within ports are working in a highly competitive environment. It costs a lot of money, so we need a North/West European approach. Disadvantaged young people from families with multiple problems, who often have personal challenges, are incredibly vulnerable to the claws of the criminals. So you need credible messengers, people who have seen it all before, who speak their language, and who can motivate and even discipline them back to the right side of the street, Dixma said. It's very difficult to get in touch with families that are high risk because they are afraid that their child will be put out of the house, he said. It is a societal problem. Parents are addicted, there's poverty, extreme inequality, racism, debt, but the child also has to have the predisposition to develop these problems. While Dutch criminal gangs have been dubbed the Mocro Maffia and ethnic minorities are overrepresented as crime suspects, Statistics Netherlands researchers say the racial background is less important than age, education, and socioeconomics. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.